If you are looking for healthy way of eating but want to make sure it is delicious and visually appealing, then you have come to the right place. I make recipes that do not require any roasting, frying, cooking, or any kind of heating, just raw ingredients, the way Mother Nature has provided to all its creatures. That's how I have been eating for the past 2.5 years. But raw food is not a religion for me to not break the rule once in a while. So I do use heated ingredients occasionally, although rarely, to make some recipes that are healthy and tasty. Here is one such exception. In this recipe, I would like to show how I made some peanut flax cookies. These are visually very appealing, cracking by texture, and absolutely tasty. So, what is good about this? Why do we want to make this? For one, very rich in healthy fats. Peanuts have lots of healthy fats that are good for health. They also have soft fiber that helps remove clogs in blood naturally. Second, high in protein, fiber, and omega 3 fatty acids. These help avoid a heart stroke and reducing cholesterol deposits in blood. And then, this is the best part, it keeps hunger at bay. They provide so much energy that you make this as a complete meal or have small quantity for a snack, whichever way you want. They are a crunchy snack. For those moments you want to munch onto something but need to be healthy one, then this is an alternative. So what are the ingredients we will use? Roasted peanuts, flaxseed powder, water, sea salt or any salt of your choice, and some chili powder. That's about it to make 15 cookies. So the process is pretty simple. You dump all the ingredients except water into a food processor. By the way, if you are enjoying this video, please click on that like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. I make lot of food recipes that are on the raw food style and you may like at least some of them. Once you subscribe, you will come to know whenever I post this, and don't forget to click on that notification bell icon as well. Starting with a low speed, move up to high speeds and process for 2 to 3 minutes at the minimum until the mixture is a coarse powder. You should avoid processing it too long to avoid it becoming too fine, and if it is too fine, some of the crunchy feel will be lost. Now, once the processing is done, slowly add the water to the processor while the food processor is still running. When adequately processed, you will see a ball formation such as the one that you see here. That's when you know it is done. Increase the water quantity slightly if needed, because this depends on how much your peanuts have been roasted, and there could be less or more water as needed. Once completed, make large balls from the dough and flatten with palms initially. Spread it on some flat surface and roll it thin. In this case, I used a chapati maker roller, for example. Then take a large glass or any large cap of a can and press it into the flattened dough. Remove carefully the dough cut in circular shape and place it on dehydrated trays. Dehydrate at about 45 degrees Celsius for 8 to 12 hours, changing the position of the bottom trays once in 3-4 hours or so. By the time the cookies would be ready to eat. Enjoy them as it is, they are quite crunchy, or alternatively, if you prefer, spread some cashew mint vegetable spread between two cookies and make sandwiches. Or you can use any other jam, anything of your choice, between two cookies and make it as a sandwich. These are large ones and they make a healthy sandwich. These can be eaten at any time during the day. You can have it as a full meal if you prefer, or just munch some just like that when you feel like. Do make some and let me know in comments if you liked it. And also do post comments if you have encountered any problems. I will respond if I have alternate solutions, or maybe I can clarify further. So friends, I hope you liked watching this video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you come to know of any new recipes that I post here. I post here almost on a daily basis during the working days, and health talks during the weekends at least once. Thanks for your time.